Alright, next thing is a lot of people like to do spheres, and they like to make sphere objects. This is fine. They sometimes don't print perfectly, but we can still attempt them. I'm going to show you some of the better ways I think to make them. I don't like making the 3D sphere, making the 3D object. It works out a lot better most times if you want to make a sphere to just make a circle. I'm going to make a 2-inch circle. Right click OK. And then I'm going to draw a line straight down the middle, all the way through the middle of the circle. Okay. Now I'm going to finish the sketch. What I can do then is revolve this side around this axis, and it makes my sphere. Okay, so revolving half a circle makes a perfect sphere. Now if I want to do work on that, remember that's where it comes back to this plane. We go to a plane, I select the plane that I want, select the side, and now I have a plane to work on. I can right click on the plane, new sketch, and it makes my new sketch. Again, you can even add text to this to a sphere. Okay. And those are the only 4 sizes they give you, but you can size it up differently if you want. Then when you emboss this, or when you actually emboss this here or engrave it, it actually does a really good job of only going as far as you really want it to. It goes exactly the same all the way around. Sorry, I was going the wrong direction there. So there we go. I'm going to turn the visibility of this off to where you can't see the work plane anymore. And there's my sphere. I've got it in there. The text is in there. Works out pretty well. You can also cut things out of this, again, by going back here. I'm going to make that visible again so that I can work on it. So say I want to make, I can make holes in it. Different size holes, different shapes. Then I can extrude those and do a cut. I want to do that through all. Here's that distance tool. Go all the way through it. Again, let's turn the visibility of that work plane off. There you go. Now notice I cut some of the letters, so I can come back to this emboss here, my original sketch, and I'm just going to drag it down here. That'll drag those letters down. So there we go. So you can make that pretty simple just by doing that.